my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today I am going to be using the Morphe 35I Icy Fantasy again. This palette right here. And today I'm just doing one eye look, so you don't have to see like the review, all the looks and all the swatches. It's just this eye look today. And I absolutely love it. It's like green, blue, purple with like some sparkly shimmers. And I hope you enjoy watching. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this eye is already done as usual. And this eye is already primed and ready to go. So, oops. I'm first going to be taking a mix of this shade and this shade right here. Those are called Echo and Chill Thrill. So I'm just going to put both of those colors on this big fluffy brush here and just packing those onto this brush and then packing them right here on the inner like third of my crease. You have to kind of go over it a few times for it to like really get some intensity. Next, I'm going to be taking this blue shade right here, which is called Into the Blue. I'm going to be taking that on this little fluffy brush here and just packing it onto the brush and packing it onto the sort of like middle part of my crease. For a lot of these colors, you really have to like keep packing it on just because they're so light, but I mean, that's kind of how they're supposed to be. Just because they're like pastels. Sort of blending these two together a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking this purple shade right here, which is called Dreamer. I'm taking that on this fluffy brush here and putting that all on the outer part of my crease and in the outer corner as well. And mixing it into that blue. Oh wow. This one is a lot more like pigmented than the other ones. This seems more pigmented than when I last put it on. I'm going to go back into the brush we took the blue on and just blend it with the purple. I'm going to take this brush that has like some like cream eyeshadow on it and then just go over the edge of this. So it's not like harsh. And then going into the purple one more time. Now I'm going to do a half cut crease. And I'm using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer and this flat brush. And then I'm taking my finger to kind of like make this edge not very harsh. And then I'm going to go in with this sort of, yeah, this one right here. This like, it's like a cream colored eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put that on this brush here and put that all over where we just cut our crease so that we have just act as a little bit of a base. And then going back into the purple. and fixing that edge right there. And then going into the blue and going over about right here. Okay, now I'm taking this shade right here, which is called Brilliant, and I'm just taking that on my finger right now and packing that all over where we cut our crease. And then I'm going to take this little tiny brush here and go into that shade just so I can get into like the, you know, I can get really close to the line. And I'm also gonna put this color in my inner corner. And now I'm gonna take the shade right beside it, which is called Euphoria. And it's kind of the same as that one, except it has a little bit of a blue tint. And I'm going to put that right in between that color and the matte. I just think that adds like a nice touch. And now we're gonna take the green again, green colors, and put that right here on the very inner part of our lower lash line. And then the blue. And then lastly, the purple. And now on the waterline, I'm going to use this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This is the lilac one, and it is called Crybaby. Now I'm going to add on just a little layer of this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara because I'm going to put on some lashes. So this will just help for my lashes to blend into the fake ones. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this and put on some fake lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, Elsie, this is the final look and I absolutely love it. I love these colors together. I love this glitter. It is just, and these lashes are like my favorite. I use the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in the style Instaglam. These are my favorite lashes at the moment. And so this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!